Hey YouTube, it's your buddy Paul from Pulp Friction Woodworking. Just want to remind you to come on out Sunday, August 2nd, 4 p.m. This is the very first live episode of Pulp Friction Woodworking. Here we're going to talk about starting a woodworking business for just around $60. This is just a few tips, tricks, the tools you need, how to market, what to build, how to sell it. Build your woodworking business. This is where you get started. We're going to have people coming and going. They're going to be talking about how they got started, what they bought, what they built, encouraging others to do what we all want to do. We all want to build something, sell something, and make some money. So please like, share, subscribe. Come on out August 2nd, 4 p.m. We're going to have a great time. Grab your pencil, get it sharpened. Let's go have some fun.